stitch edge, which as you can see there's 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 rows of E-wrap, 3 rows of purl stitch. So we will start with our purl stitch, which let me zoom this in. Okay, for the purl stitch you take loom tool down through the stitch on the peg, working yarn below it, and pull it up. That's your new stitch. Take the old stitch off, put the new stitch on. I just want to focus on the background. I will do a couple purl stitches here for you. I'm right in the middle of that oval, so here we go. There we go. Okay, so that is your purl stitch. One more time, just in case. This is your purl stitch. You're going to do 1 row of purl stitch. Our purl stitch row is done. Now we will E-wrap a row, which if you have your tensioner, you can wrap the whole loom, or you can do peg by peg. I have found if I just go peg by peg, that really cuts down on any laddering happening. So here we go. You just wrap around the back. There we go. So you do 1 row of E-wrap. So you got 1 row purl, 1 row E-wrap. And you're going to repeat these. So you'll have purl, E-wrap, purl, E-wrap, purl, E-wrap. That's your first 6 rows. So go ahead and do those.